Test run number 1, stock version. Start the video. Stop the video. Yo, Roberto's gonna pull up on us, bro. He's gonna start fucking dying, bro. Shut the fuck up. No. Time to fuck my shit up. Wait! Look, come. Yo. Hear me out. Bro, I'm low-key having second thoughts about doing it. That's why we do more research. We think before we do anything. Google. Yo. Yo, turn around the camera, go in the same position. No. Fuck, we might fuck this up, bro.
Alright, you're taking too long.
Stop.
No. We got a ball spot, bro.
Shut the fuck up, bro. To drill a hole in. Yo, get the fuck out my face, bro.
We don't have 3/8. Oh yeah, we do. Damn, bro.
I choked on a fucking. Should have eaten DD Peckers, bro.
You actually went?
Fuck yeah. We were.
Today?
Yeah.
You good? Your shit's gonna sound like a fucking
boom.
Alright, go, bro. Go.
Alright, my the exhaust. Ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Don't fuck me over. Dead ass. It says at the bottom, right? That's the bottom, right? Yo, cut the video, bro. Yo,
Go.
shut up. Bro, this shit's not going.
Bro, you gotta push it.
What you doing, bro? My shit just blows up, bro. This shit is gay as fuck. I just got my ass out, bro.
I don't think this is the right hole, bro. I mean, put it straight. You're angling it up. Yo, what the fuck?
Holy motherfucker.
Bro, you just want to try the bigger one, bro?
Fuck no.
Fuck it.
Hell no.
I almost ran over a
what's up
squirrel, bro.
You what?
I almost ran over a squirrel.
Bro, I've been trying to tell you.
Dude,
That's because this one's for wood.
I told you.
It's not
bro.
for metal. Another one?
I told your ass, bro.
Dumbass car.
That's the wrong hole.
But why is she going to the side, bro? Why is she going to the side?
You gotta go slow. Slow, yeah. Yo, it's my car, bro.
Yeah, you see how slow? I'm actually making a hole, bro. So now or never. Now or never, bro.
No, it is. It actually is.
I'm actually making a hole.
Yo, my nigga.
Go.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, it is. Yo, it is. Oh my god, it went through. Yo.
No way.
I did. I made a hole, bro.
Yo, why is there?
Why is there fuzz, bro?
Yo, hey, yo. Back up.
Why's there fuzz there?
I don't know. Yo, why is it smoking, yo?
Yo, smoking.
What the fuck? Why'd you Bobby Shmurda started playing?
What year is this car?
Oh! That shit did not change at all. No. Yo, why does your exhaust smell like gas?
Because that's where the gas comes
No,
out.
like Oh my god.
Watch that be a whole pack of fucking weed in there, bro. I did buy the shit off a dealer.
Oh shit, they're coming. They heard you.
They heard. Has YouTube ever felt?
Yo, they're yo.
Yo.
Alright, bro. What the fuck? You just throwing my shit on the ground? So we're done?
No.
Yo.
Died in your neighborhood, bro. Stop, bro.
It's not. It didn't go through. Look at it. It doesn't.
You know how it's like this, bro? Like this part's a hole and this part's like it's not the. It didn't go all the way through.
Bro, what?
I don't
What the fuck? What you just say?
Right. This is how the drill. This is supposed to be the hole, right?
Yo, what are you doing?
Shut up. Just let it be, bro.
Right. So the drill moves this way, right?
Yeah.
You know how some of the tip of the drill is longer than the other?
Yeah.
The tip that's longer actually went through, so only a little bit. Let's say like right here's a hole, but the rest isn't a hole.
Oh, okay. Now.